How to copy and paste in Photoshop. So go ahead and open your Photoshop application. Now create a new file where you want to paste in a photo or an element. I will open a file where I want to copy an element, and once it's opened, I will use the lasso tool to select a specific part of the photo. After it's selected, press Ctrl C on your keyboard, move to the tab where you want to paste your selected element, and then press Ctrl V on your keyboard. As you can see, the object is now pasted in here. Going back to the original file, you can also copy and paste elements on the same file. So once I press Ctrl V on my keyboard, as you can see, the selected element will be pasted as well. Now you can also use the pen tool, the magic wand, and any tool that you can use to select specific parts of the photo, and the same Ctrl C followed by Ctrl V method will work. So that is how to copy and paste in Photoshop. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.